Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about 15 IT MNCs started their hiring. So watch the video till end, don't skip it out. Just subscribe and like my channel. So let's go to the page. The first one going to be an quadeye spreader started their hiring for campus hiring, which is going to be a system engineer role for freshers. This is what one of the system engineer role. It will suits for a good knowledge. You just want to know which all the things maybe like coding from any one language. You should be very proficient C, C++, Java or Python. So they mentioned here the benefits of the persons who are all starting their career as a freshers, 30 days per year, and the meals, snacks and office transport, everything they have provided here. You are going to apply here only. btech, mtech, all branches can apply for this role. Name, email number, phone numbers, upload your resume, disciplines, which discipline we just mentioned, the specialization only they will mention as discipline, and the LinkedIn profile not there, no problem. Graduation here, whether experience in any languages or done any certification, mention here itself and just submit it. This is one of the company. And the second one will be Global Logic for the testing wicked talented and training .NET developer role started their hiring, and this is associative software developer role for 3 roles, which is for freshers as well as the 1 year experience candidate. 4 to 4.5 they mentioned here, Chennai location. You are going to apply in First Naurkri. I will put a link in the description how to apply First Naurkri and how to create account in First Naurkri. So this are all the key skills they mentioned here itself, guys. Communication, .ACP.NET, web service, APIs, and the CTC will be 4 to 4.5 IT consulting service from Chennai location. Second one will be Gurgaon, India, Bangalore and Hyderabad, which I mentioned here. No, btech, mtech, MCS students. And the second one will be associate engineering from Gurgaon, which I mentioned, from all over India. They are having branches, so don't worry problem. So if you have done any certification in any one CSS, HTML, JavaScript or SQL, it will be plus to apply for this role. One of the easiest way you can apply in the company website only, this kind of portal, and which you see already. The next one is going to be in Walmart started a software hiring international tech engineering role from all over India. This is what they're from company website, which they mentioned. They won't charge any amount for application portal. You can easily apply. The branches from btech from full time from 2022 branches up to 2015 batch in all degree can apply for this role. You should have any one language in C, C++, Java, any one language. Bangalore, Chennai, you should be very proficiency here, which I mentioned here itself. No, Bangalore. So this is what they be full branches can apply for this role. You can start apply here, guys. Walmart. And next one will be Parallelware started their hiring for software engineering QA network from Electronic Cities Bangalore, one of the developed cities in India. 4G and 5G automation you are going to work out here, guys. The key skills will be, this is what they mentioned, 4G and 5G technology are going to working for a BPO process. All branches can apply for this role. Just click out here and start apply. And next one will be TCS started their hiring for BSc student. The registration open starts here. BPO for 2021 and 22 passed out year graduation can start apply. So if you are not create account in TCS, I am provide link in the description how to create a TCS account. Watch that and create account and start applying, guys. This is one of the mini government job TCS all can mention here. So the eligible criteria, everything they can mention here. The test pattern, all kind of features they can mention. BSc hard students can apply. All branches can apply for this role. Test pattern, which they mentioned here for numerical, verbal, reasoning, 60 minutes. Frequently asked question, they will provide here itself what all the questions they will ask. So I will provide all kind of links here, so you can watch our channel anytime. If you are subscribed, you may get more update. So just subscribe, guys. It will be helpful for you. The next one will be Zoho hiring freshers for, which is hard student from 2023 graduation. They are hiring for the Coimbatore location. All over India students can apply for this role. The easiest way of applying will be provided in the Zoho company, not that much difficult. If you applied, you may get a link on 6th. So start applying, guys. And this is what they're from quality analyst and a debugging analyst for the freshers, another kind of role. You can apply multiple roles, no problem. Start, browse your resume and submit it. Nothing there. Email ID, phone number, gender, university age number, college, department, date of birth, and United District graduation. That's it. And second will be software development role for Tenkasi role they mentioned here. So Chennai, Tenkasi, Coimbatore, Bangalore, Gurgaon, Haryana, all over India can apply. Multiple job opportunities which will suit you, which you are interested, you can start applying, guys. And this is what they're from. Saleforce from intern software engineering from freshers in Hyderabad. They mentioned here itself, so you can start apply here, guys. One of the easiest way to apply in Workday LinkedIn portal. btech, mtech, all can apply for this role. For this intern and software development role, they will provide monthly 25,000 as a stipend. So another one will be in, which is in BPO process for the art students. Once again, I am explaining, guys, just apply for TCS, one of the easiest way to get a job in IT MNC. So this all the companies started their hiring. So you can visit our channel at any time. If you are subscribed once, it will be helpful for you to get more jobs in our channel. I am providing 5 to 10 MNCs per day. You can place any one 10 MNCs while you are following our channel daily, means you can place any one IT MNCs. So thanks for watching, guys.